The Indian National Congress decided to launch an individual civil disobedience in place of mass civil disobedience in 1933, which act provided for the establishment of an all India federation at the center consisting of the provinces of British India and the princely states. The Government of India Act 1935. When did Mahatma Gandhi go on fast unto death for the first time? 1918. What is called the Magna Carta of Western education system in Indian? Dispatch of Charles Wood, Secretary of State, 1854. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Lucknow? Begum Hazrat Mahal. Who said one religion, one caste, and one God for mankind? Narayan Guru. On what ground did this second split in the Congress take place in 1918? Montagu-Chelmsford Declaration. Which revolutionary wrote books Color of Swadeshi and Revolutionary Life? Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil. Which revolutionary was associated with the foundation of the Punjab Navjeevan Bharat Sabha in 1926? Bhagat Singh. The novel Neel Darpan depicting the harassment and oppression of indigo farmers by the Britishers was written by Tara Shankar Bandyopadhyay. Who led the revolt in 1857 in Bihar and defeated the British army near Ara? Kunwar Singh. Who wrote famous thesis entitled South India in 1857 War of Independence? Savarkar. Which act may be regarded as the beginning of representative system in modern India? The Indian Councils Act 1861. The Vernacular Press Act as the safety wall against vernacular newspapers was passed by Lord Lytton on March 14, 1878. Who was the first to call the revolt of 1857 as an organized war for national independence? Savarkar.